Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and for today's video, I'm going to show you kung paano bang mag-apply sa Tutoring KR, okay? So, I heard Tutoring KR is, paano ko nga ba nalalaman na may hiring ito? 16 hours ago, today is November 27, so 16 hours ago, so, may nag-post dito, isang tutor siguro from Tutoring KR na nagsabing hiring sila. So, ayun, let's see kung paano nga ba mag-apply if you're interested and what is this all about. Okay, so welcome to Tutoring. We will be hiring new tutors again from November 24 to November 30. Tutoring offers audio, conversation. So, audio lang siya guys, classes. So, this is good kasi ako talaga, mas gusto ko talagang audio, kaya lang mukhang hindi talagang tinadhana. But maybe we can try, right? Tutoring offers audio conversation classes to Korean students, okay? We offer flexible hours for our tutors. So if you need a portal to teach on during your free time, please apply. So how did you hear about us? Please write Rose and Alindogan. So ilagay niyo daw yung pangalan niya para naman, 'di ba? Okay, click the application, click this one. Okay, first, tingnan muna natin tong, paano nga ba tong mag-apply, guys. Okay, so, eto yun, tutoring English online whenever you want. Okay, whenever you want. So, I hope naririnig ako, guys. So, tutoring provides a place for English tutors and students to meet and have lessons in less than a minute. Tutors can simply go online in free time, and students can call available tutors and have lessons. We are looking for highly motivated and talented individuals to become a part of tutoring. So, description, position, English tutor, working hours, flexible. Oh, maganda to, 'di ba? Flexible. Kung may free time ka ngayon, kung ayaw mo, then okay. So, full-time, at least 35 hours a week. So, for part-time, at least 15 hours a week. So, kung mag 5 days ka, tas 3 hours ka lang for weekdays, 'di ba? Pwede na 'yun for part-time. Kung gusto niyo ng part-time. Anyway, teaching tools, PC plus headed internet and 10 Mbps upload speed. Ayun, audio class only. So responsibilities, familiarize with our own topic cards, be professional while teaching, and leave well. Written feedback. Okay. Earnings, peak hour incentives, student enrollee incentives, appointment incentives. Okay. So, kailangan naka-Intel i3 ka, i5, i7, 6th Gen, or AMO equivalent. 8 gigabyte RAM, Windows OS, at least 20 gig free. So, etong requirements guys. Dito tayo sa requirements, okay? So, yung requirements is a native speaker or as good, okay, 22 years old and above, college graduate, has good internet connection, experience in teaching English, passionate about teaching English. If you have experience teaching TOEIC, TOEIC, okay, speaking in OPIC, please mention. Okay, so how to apply? Internet connection, okay. Saan na nga ba ang salary? I heard kasi sa Tutoring KR, it's 150 or 180. Oh, starting, andito nga pala, sorry guys. Starting $3 ang starting per teaching hour. Gets higher when you reach certain teaching hours. Ito kasing maganda sa ibang companies like Tutoring KR. Talagang sure na may mag-i-increase yung salary mo. 'Di ba? So, ito nga nang kinik ko yung ano, welcome to the Rose application. So, kailangan nyo tong i-fill up. Okay? So, invited you to come to teach with us. Oh, wow. Ganun pala yun. Well, anyway. So, what is this? Ito na yun. Required, yung email mo, password, confirm password, your name, your last name, of course, gender, birthday, nationality, residence. How did you hear about us? Photo 1, photo 2. Okay. I'm not sure. Internet service, internet, okay, education. Ayan, the usual, guys. And then submit. Okay. So, I'm not really sure kung nag-apply ako dati sa Tutoring Go. Kasi when I applied, parang hindi ganito yung setup. So, let me check first my email kung naka-apply nga ba ako sa Tutoring Go. At unfortunately, I'm gonna be honest na talagang hindi ako na, I don't know why. Let's see. iTutor group, hi tutor. So hindi pa pala ako nakatry sa Tutoring Go. Sa iTutor lang. iTutor group. Ang sabi nila sa akin, sorry. Better luck next time. Joke lang, guys. But anyway, I really want to try this kasi audio class lang to. So, I'm interested. So, let's try this, guys. 'Di ba? Malay mo, this is meant for us. So, why not? Anyway, good luck to us. Good luck to you. So, thank you guys for watching. And if you have any questions, just leave the comments. Just leave your comments. And thank you. And bye. Have a nice day. Parang teacher lang. Have a nice day.